I know it's been a minute, but I'm so happy to show you this product review. Hold tight and we'll get into it. All right. Glad you guys came back to watch. So here we have it. We have this beautiful package I got from the United States. By the way, I'm in Toronto. Um, I reached out to a company by the name of Shampoo Buddy after doing some research online. So let me just break it down for you real quick. So as a hairstylist, sometimes you have to work in different environments, and I've been looking for portable options for shampooing. I've tried the portable pedestal sink. I've tried the cape that goes around the head, and I just kind of wasn't satisfied. So I searched, and I found this company that makes this shampoo basin for at-home use for your kids to make it easy. Because, sometimes it could be a nightmare washing kids' hair. It could be uncomfortable, could hurt your back. It's not comfortable for the kids, whatnot. So anyway, so I contacted this company. They sent me this package for a review. Now, initially receiving the box is really light. It did come from the United States, and as I said, I'm in Toronto. It took about 10 days. When I got the box, it was packaged really well. They had that packing paper in it to keep everything stable. The box was really light, so I was kind of concerned that it would be like a cheap, flimsy type of product. And I opened it up, and to my surprise, it is stunning. I love this thing. It's a mimic of a shampoo bowl, but compact. It comes with a neck supports piece that I believe is silicone, suction cups. The plastic is like this hard plastic, very durable. It came with instructions. It just shows you, you could put this on your bathtub, you could put it on your countertop, what you can do, what you can't do. Also, the measurement requirement for the countertop, I believe it's about 2 inches. I would go to the website and check that out. If I was you, I'll put the link in the information box. So initially, I, went straight to the sink and started playing around with it. I was concerned that the suction wouldn't be strong enough, so I tested it out, and like it was stuck. Like I had a hard time actually lifting it off the countertop. But it worked. Like it when you put it down, it does not move. So I was shocked. But anyways, it's really good because you don't want your client's neck to be moving all over the place and for them to be all uncomfortable and for it to tip or fall. So I was happy with that. So I set it up on the countertop to show you there. I have a basic chair from IKEA. It has like a lever to lift up and down, which you do need that, or the person that's sitting it has to scoot down a bit, because if your countertop's really high, that might be uncomfortable. So I had a chair that, can go up and down. So anyways, for this video, I'm going to actually try it out on a client. God bless her for allowing me to record this. Now, again, I was a little concerned whether or not this would fit an adult, and it actually did. Now, this is really, really feeling like you being at a shampoo bowl. It's pretty easy. The only difference is, and at a shampoo bowl too, you would have to lift the client's hair to make sure that underneath is washed properly. But outside of that, washing went really well. There wasn't any leakage, water all over the place. The water directed downwards. It was just so much easier. I've been using another option that has been so hard. This is 100 times better. If you are a traveling hairstylist, I recommend this for you. It is excellent. You could put in your car, take it anywhere you have to go, and as long as it has a countertop that it could adhere to, then it'll work. So God bless this client, as I said, for allowing me to do a demo on her. So I'm going to go ahead and continue forth with the quick styling of her hair. So just showing you here that her hair is washed really, really well. She does have, kinky hair that is also kinky curly and beautiful texture. So just showing here how well it washed. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a quick blowout and a flat iron. And this is the end result. So I'm just going to finish up with giving her a trim. She didn't want to trim too much. I love trimming, but I get it. Length retention. So I was just kind of going through a quick consult with her and explaining what I'm doing and how much I'm going to cut off and how much she was comfortable with cutting for now. I told her we could do it slowly, but you know, we definitely need to get those ends situated. So before trimming, I'm just again having a discussion with her, and I'm going to give her the trim and come back and show you what the finished result is. So this is the finished result of her wash, her blowout, and her silk press. Her hair looks amazing. I love this product. I would definitely recommend it to anybody that's a hairstylist that travels. Thank you for watching. Any questions or concerns, leave a comment. Bye, guys.